What is going on, guys? I am super excited today. You guys know New York City has one of the biggest e-boarding communities in the world. We have production boards, custom boards here, and I personally never came across Backfire board before. I have never tried one. This is going to be a first unboxing and testing of their brand. Let's dive in, let's see what's inside, let's see how it does. But before doing that, just look at this box presentation. It's a very nice, well-packed board. Nice graphics outside, so let's see what's inside. We have the Backfire G2 Black 2020 version. It is wrapped in plastic. Underneath we should have the accessory box, and it is not a box actually. We have the Backfire stickers, and I see here the Hobbywing display remote. This is my favorite. The T-tool, the charger, it's kind of small. We have the hardware here in this small container, the Type-C cable charger, and that's pretty much it. The deck, 38 inches long, 9 inches wide. I really like the design. And look at the side view, the bottom view, really well designed. The grip tape, I like the Backfire logo. I'm curious to see how flexible it is later on. The battery, we have 10S2P, 5.2 amps or 180 watt-hour. And guys, this is a budget board and you have a really decent sized battery. The ESC. They use Hobbywing, and you guys know this is a great reliability and performance ESC. We'll see later in the test how it performs. Guys, very important, the battery and the ESC are fully ABS sealed, offering better water resistance. I don't ride in the rain, but this is good to have. Trucks, they're caliber design, they're 7-inch MD front truck and new Backfire rear truck. Wheels are 96mm outside diameter. They offer two options, 83A diameter and 75A diameter. So I suggest you, if you have bad roads, go for the softer version. Motors are 400 watts each. Remote, as I mentioned earlier, it's a Hobbywing display remote. It's my favorite. You can see the speed, power level and range in real time. Range they advertise as 11 to 12.5 miles. I will see how much I'll get. Speed 24 miles per hour advertised. Now regarding the charging time, it's about 3.5 hours. So I had the G2 for about 1 week and this is what I think of it. It looks like a solid budget board, it's light and it's very easy to use. On the remote I saw only two speeds, number 1 and number 2 options. Number 1 I would say slow and number 2 fast, and I was able to get 23 miles an hour top speed. The important thing to mention is that the wheel on the remote has a lot of range, so it's very comfortable to accelerate or brake hard or even go in the minimum slow speed. If you're a beginner, you'll feel a lot of control and a lot of confidence using these settings. Acceleration was gradual and very comfortable. Brakes are intuitive and really good. You have a decent amount of torque when you start. Going uphill was not bad at all. I clocked 15 miles an hour and I weighed 205 pounds. Compared to other more expensive models, it was pretty decent. I think G2 is a very good option if you're getting into e-boarding or if you're entry level. All in all, G2 seems to perform nicely and it gets you a good bang for your buck starting at only $420. Range-wise, I was able to cover 15 kilometers and that's about 9.3 miles with 205-pound rider. I think this is one of the best entry-level options today. Overall, to me, it feels like you're getting much more than what you pay. The deck has a convex shape, and when you load weight on it, when you ride it, it's flexing past 0 point, but it doesn't stay concave. It's actually bouncing back up, and it's flexing upwards, not downwards like other brands, which is really good. Another cool feature that I found when I was going downhill on a fully charged battery, the remote started vibrating and will notify me that it's overcharged by showing this message. One more important thing that I forgot to mention, that on this model I had the 83A diameter wheels, and it felt a little bit too harsh going over some bigger cracks, manholes, or going over bike lanes that have the safe ride bicycle lane coating compared to Exway or Walgo hubs, which felt a little bit softer. If you are in the area where the roads are not that great, choose lower diameter or upgrade to cloud wheels, which will make your ride butter smooth. This was a review of the G2 Black model from Backfire entry-level board. If you find this review informative, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.